Hi everybody, welcome to part 3, block dyeing or two-toning leather. We finished all the projects and I'd like to show you some other projects as well, and we can go into some tips, tricks, and hacks that might help you in doing your leather work. So here is the bracelet from 4 years ago. Here's the 3 bracelets from 4 years ago actually. And let's take a look. What's the difference? You'll notice on the ones I did for this video, I did a heavier block dye. 4 years ago, I did less block dyeing. What's the difference? On this one, I use a heavier tool strike. This one, a lighter tool strike, and you'll notice the pickup of the color on the center pattern. Here, this is just medium brown over the basic veg tanned color. Now, when I was doing the tooling, again, I was going through it very fast. You'll notice that I would tool my borders first, and I would do 3 or 4, then I would flip the piece and do 3 or 4 on the other side. That's because as you tool the leather will start to deform, and if you want to just keep, it's just a preference for me. I prefer to do bang, 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 bang on one side, turn it over, bang, 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 then do the center, and so keep the leather basically straight. I know I rushed through that in the videos, but that's just a little tip for you to remember. Now over here, we've got our bracelets that we did in the video where we used the Folsom, the ugliest leather tool you'll ever own, and we used our Tandy tool D2175. Over here, this is one I did where I used the medium brown over the natural veg tan color, again with the Folsom, and here this is just without texturing. And using that 2175. Here I'm using the D2197 as the border. And then back over here are our aniline bracelets. This is the original one from 4 years ago where I just did a heavy black antique over the aniline color. And here are our ones we did for this video where we did a traditional antiquing, and over here we did a block dyeing antique over the partial resist. And then here's another one I did just to show you using the tool in a different orientation. Okay, so let's not forget, all right, over here I've got my blotting cloth. Don't forget a blotting cloth. If I wasn't blotting, it was an honest mistake in those videos. Here are my different creasing tools. This is my old Tandy tool. The biggest difference between these two tools is this Tandy tool will round the edge, okay? If you want a rounded edge, you use this kind of creasing tool. If you want a sharp edge, you use this kind of creasing tool right here. And I don't know if you can see it in here, but this has a real sharp edge, okay? And this edge is more rounded because of the tool I used for creasing. So just an interesting little tip there for you, depending on the kind of look you want. So that's it. We have block dyed and two-toned a bunch of bracelets. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stay tuned for more interesting videos on doing leatherwork. Thanks. See you soon.